Hi there, I am Radha, your teacher friend. In today's video, I am going to tell you what a noun is, what are the different types of nouns, and how do we identify them. A noun is a naming word. Name of what? It can be the name of a person, a place, animal, or thing. When we say animal, we are referring to all the living things. And when we are talking about thing, we are talking about all the material things that we see around us. It can also be the name of a feeling or emotion, quality or process, concept or idea. Some of the examples are fear, anxiety, happiness, sadness, honesty, courage, kindness, evaporation, perspiration, respiration, digestion, education, love, time, and beauty. Now let us look at the classification of nouns. Nouns are basically classified as concrete and abstract nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, or proper and common nouns. Now let us look at all these different types of nouns separately. First of all, we'll look at concrete and abstract nouns. So what is a concrete noun? Any noun that we can identify through any one or more of our five senses. That is touching, hearing, seeing, tasting or smelling. They are all called concrete nouns. For example, table, tree, orange, book, shirt, building, wind, etc. Now let us look at abstract nouns. Nouns that cannot be identified through any of our five senses. They are called abstract nouns. Now these are ideas, concepts, feelings or emotions. Examples of abstract nouns are happiness, fear, honesty, childhood, freedom, excitement, etc. Now let us look at the second category of nouns. These are countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count. For example, chair, child, dog, woman, knife, etc. These can be either singular, that is one, or plural, that is two or more. So depending on whether it is singular or plural, we have to use the appropriate determiner like one, two, three, many, some, few, a few, any, enough, plenty of, or no. Now, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those nouns that cannot be counted. For example, salt, sand, honey, water, furniture, news, information, luggage, rain, advice, sugar, bread, etc. And for these, we can use determiners such as much, little, a little, bit of, no, some, any, a lot of, lots of, plenty of, etc. The third way in which we classify nouns is as common and proper nouns. Let us look at some of the examples to understand this in a better way. Girl. When we say girl, we are referring to any girl. So that is a common noun. But when we say Sanjana, we are pointing to a particular girl whose name is Sanjana. So Sanjana is a proper noun, girl a common noun. Similarly, boy refers to any boy, but Himanshu is the name of a particular boy. So Himanshu is a proper noun. Teacher can be any teacher, but Mrs. Nair is a particular teacher. So Mrs. Nair is a proper noun and teacher a common noun. College can be any college, but when we say the name of a college like St. Teresa's College, it is a proper noun. Hotel can be any hotel, so it's a common noun. But when we say Central Park, that is the name of a specific hotel, so that is a proper noun. Dog can be any dog, but Snoopy is a particular dog. So dog is a common noun, Snoopy a proper noun. City can be any city. It's a common noun. Mumbai, a particular city. So that's a proper noun. River, again, it can be any river. So that's a common noun. But Ganga is a proper noun. Thank you for watching.